Hello and welcome to this demonstration on how to use LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. In this video, I'm just going to basically run through how you can install LogixOne Operator inside your Zoho CRM environment. It's very simple to do. You can do it yourself and get up and running within minutes. So here you can see I'm in a blank, brand new Zoho CRM environment. This could be just the same as yours. You might have different layouts and settings, but that really doesn't matter. So all you need to do is go to the settings or the setup section within inside Zoho CRM, and then go down to Marketplace and click All. Once you've clicked All, let that open up. And what we're going to do here is search for the LogixOne Operator app. And you'll see we've got a number of other apps here, but our chat tool, our B2B portal, but we're going to be installing LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. So we'll just click that, and then you'll see it will come up here. Okay, so all you need to do now is once you're in the location, and we'll put the link to the extension inside the video description down below. All you need to do is click install. Okay, and just tick and approve these boxes and then click install. All right, the next section, you'll be presented with, you'll need to approve the installation into your Zoho CRM environment. So you just need to confirm these. And then if you need further help, basically this URL here is just linking you to this video. So then we've ticked those boxes and we just need to click continue to install. And here we can choose whether we want to provide access to LogixOne Operator to your admins only, or users, or you can choose profile. So in this demonstration, I'll just click install for users, click confirm, and then we'll see that it'll install. Okay, and there you go. Basically, that's it. So you can see here that it's installed the additional modules inside your Zoho CRM environment. And now all you need to do, you can get more information by copying and pasting this link, and this will take you to this video. But once you've installed it, all you need to do now is go to the other modules and click on LogixOne Scheduler. Okay, and now you need to follow these steps. So all you need to do is just warning you here that you need to have administration rights. You need to have an enterprise level of Zoho CRM, which is typically provided in Zoho One subscription. Again, if you would like assistance, you can contact us and reach our tech team by clicking this link here. But what we're going to do now is come to this section here where it says please click here to continue, and what this is going to do is do the final authorization, click accept, and now your installation is complete. And you'll see here what it's telling you now is to go back to your Zoho CRM environment, which is this tab here, and go back to that LogixOne module, which is here. We'll just refresh that. And there you go, you're installed. You can see that we have our LogixOne Scheduler window here, which is where you can create jobs, see jobs, create operators, assign jobs, and basically almost everything happens in here, but we'll go over that, how to use the tool in further videos. Right now we're just showing you how to install the platform. Now you can test that it's been installed correctly and it's connecting to your Zoho CRM environment by going to the map icon here, and then dropping this box down to select accounts, and then you can click all states, or this will start to map to the accounts that are located in your accounts module, and then just click apply. Now I've only got one account in this demo environment, and there it is there. Okay, so I can now see that my environment has been successfully connected to this instance of Zoho CRM. Okay, so that's very simply how easy it is to install LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. In further videos, we'll explain just how to use the platform itself. Okay, thanks for watching.